Welcome back. In our last video, we looked at how to add the AutoCAD Classic workspace in recent versions of AutoCAD where you don't have the AutoCAD Classic workspace in the workspace switching tab. Okay, so you can see there's no AutoCAD Classic workspace here. So we saw how to add the AutoCAD Classic workspace, which is very convenient for us to work in. It's the most common workspace that most people use to work in. So you can look at our previous video to see how that was done. In the interim, if you have not subscribed to our channel, you can click on the subscribe button and hit the bell so that when new videos are uploaded you can be notified. So please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell sign. So in this video we are going to look at how to do some modifications in our work environment to suit us, or to modify the work environment to our tastes. Now the background of this work environment is white in color and the work environment is gridded, but most people are comfortable working with the dark AutoCAD work environment. Okay, so you can actually put any color at the background of the work environment that you like. It could be white, it could be black, it could be red, any color of your choice. To do that, you go to your AutoCAD browser, you click, and then you come to options. Okay, in the option dialog box you go to display. You go to display and then you hit on color. All right, and then you come to this color library drop down. So that is it. Right on, you can choose any color of your choice. For example, I've made black active. I will now say apply and close. Say okay. Okay, you can see that the background of our work environment has changed to black. So if you want to take it back to white or any other color, you can go back to your AutoCAD browser and hit on option. Alternatively, you can right click and in the resulting context menu you choose repeat options, and then the option dialog box will come out again, and then straight away you come to display, you come to color, and then take it back to white. You say apply and close, and you say okay. So you can repeat it again. Come to display, go to colors and choose red and say apply. Okay, so any color of your choice you can use for your background. Okay, but for me, I'm comfortable using black color, so I take it back to black and I say apply and close. And then if I want to increase my crosshair size, I can increase it from here by typing a larger figure. Okay, let me say 30. All right, 30. And okay, so you can see the size of the crosshair has increased. All right, you can repeat options and come and let's say 15. So you can play with the color of your work environment, the size of your crosshair, and virtually everything about the AutoCAD work environment. All right, you can, if you look at the work environment, is gridded. You can take off the grid by hitting display drawing grid, and you can see this, the grid is gone. You can hit it back to bring back the drawing grid. So you can make so many modifications on your work environment to suit you, or to make it comfortable for you as you do your design projects. Thank you very much for watching this video. And once again, if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell sign so that when more videos are uploaded, you'll be notified. See you in the next video. I'm glad to welcome you back. In our last video, we looked at how the background color can be changed. The background color of your AutoCAD workspace or work environment can be changed, and how the crosshair you are seeing right now in your work environment can either be increased or decreased. In this video, we are going to look at how to draw standard doors for our building projects and standard windows for our building project also. And then in the next video, we are going to look at how we can modify our standard door to various other types of doors, and how we can modify our standard window of 1.2 meters by 1.2 meters to other types of windows of, say, 1.2 meters by 0.9 meters, 1.2 meter by 0.6 meter, 1.2 meters by 1.8 meters, and all of that. All we need to do is just to draw one window of 1.2 by 1.2 meter and then use the Add Selected tool to modify it to give various other types of windows and doors. So very quickly, let's get started. But before we do that, let's take our mind back to what we did in the last video in increasing and reducing the crosshair that you are seeing on your work screen now. So let's reduce it. Let's reduce the size of this crosshair you are seeing on your work screen. Let's go to AutoCAD browser. Okay, this is the AutoCAD browser. You go to options, you come to display, and this is crosshair size. So let's reduce it to 10, and then we say OK. So you see the crosshair size has been reduced. Let's further reduce it to 5. Okay, 5. Good. So now let's draw a standard door of 0.9 meters by 2.1 meter. So this is a new workspace. So what we'll first of all do, if you have been following our videos right from our video 1 in the previous series, you know that you have to take an hypothetical line of, say, 10,000 millimeters. Okay, our polar tracking is not set, so all you need to do is to come to your status bar, and this is polar tracking is off, as you can see there. So you click it to put it on, and that is your tracking line. Your tracking line is a green dotted line after the white line. It shows that your line is straight. So I take an hypothetical line of 10,000 millimeters and enter. Okay, I escape and say Z, enter, E, enter. Okay, good. So this has to be done for every new work environment you are working in, so that at the end of the day, your dimensions will be correct. So I'll need to move this XY coordinate that is attached to the line by typing UCS, I enter, and then I type M for move, I enter, and then I click a convenient place where I will place it, usually in the lower left hand corner. So very quickly, can delete off that line. I proceed very quickly to draw my door of 0.9 by 2.1 meters. So 0.9, that is 900 mm. I enter, and then 2100. Okay, I enter, and then I can track. Okay, so 900 this way, I enter, and then I close it up. So this is my standard door of 0.9 meters by 2.1 meters. So I proceed to repeat the line command, and then I take my standard window of 1200, which is 1200 mm, which is 1.2 meters. Okay, and then I close it up, and then I can proceed to offset my lines with 100 mm offset distance. So I come to my modify toolbar, I click on offset. Okay, it's asking me to enter the offset distance. I type 100 in, and then I begin to offset. Okay, I take on the trim command in the modify toolbar also. Okay, this is the trim command, and then I enter after clicking, and then I trim off all this excess. Okay. Okay. So this is our standard door of 0.9 by 2.1 meters and 1.2 by 1.2 meters. In our next video, we are going to see how we can use the Add Selected tool in the Draw toolbar to modify this door of 0.9 by 2.1 meters to any other type of door. Could be 750 by 2.1, it could be 1.2 by 2.1, and then we can also see how we can modify this window of 1.2 by 1.2 to a window of 1.8 by 1.2, 0.6 by 0.6 by 0.6, 0.9 by 0.9, 1.8 by 1.2, just any window of any other type. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.